All right, example number 2, we're going to solve for k this time. So that is our variable. And then we're going to go ahead and identify the first thing that is happening to k. So in this example, it says 6 equals k divided by 2 minus 4. So the first thing that's happening to k is that it's being divided by 2. Now we want to identify the second thing that's happening to the variable. After k is divided by 2, we subtract 4 from that amount. So we're going to write minus 4. And our solution here is that all of that should equal 6. So now we need to undo that. We're going to do the opposites here. So what's the opposite of subtracting 4? Adding 4. And what's the opposite of dividing by 2? Multiplying by 2. So now we're going to take the number 6, we're going to add 4, which gives us 10, and then 10 times 2 equals 20. So the solution here is that k equals 20. We can also solve this equation using our classic algebra. So we can separate the left and the right side of the equation, and we know that we want to get our variable by itself. Our variable here is k. So we need to undo the operations that are happening to k. So first we'll undo our subtraction. So we'll undo minus 4 with plus 4. And whatever we do to one side of an equation, we always do to the other side of the equation. So since we added 4 to the right side, we need to add 4 to the left side. Negative 4 plus 4 equals 0. So those cancel out, which is why we are left with just k divided by 2. That's going to become our second step. On the left side of the equal sign, we need to solve. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Step 2, to get k by itself, we're going to undo what we see happening to k. We see k divided by 2, so we're going to undo division, divide by 2, with multiply by 2. We're going to do that on the left and the right side of the equal sign. Multiplying by 2 is going to cancel out that dividing by 2 and leave us with just k. On the left side of our equal sign, we need to solve. 10 times 2 equals 20. So you can use the box method or you can show your work using your classic algebra, but either way, you see here that k equals 20. As a reminder, you can check your answer by plugging it back into the equation. So 20 divided by 2 minus 4 should equal 6. I know that 20 divided by 2 equals 10. So then I would have 10 minus 4. And yep, 10 minus 4 does equal 6. That is correct. So I know I properly solved for k in this equation.